Hello everyone, today we are diving into a platform called Coinigy. In the past couple of years, I have this problem that I have made an account with several online exchanges, and in order to do the trade, I have to log into each and every exchange and then run my trade. But guess what? You don't have to do it anymore because Coinigy platform can connect you with 45 plus different exchanges all at once. You don't need any KYC for Coinigy platform. So the best thing about this platform is that you can integrate 75 plus trading indicators, as well as they have 24/7 live support. It also offers portfolio management for your crypto portfolio. So without waiting further, let's dive into the platform. So today we are going to talk to Joe Dorf. He's in charge of marketing, and he will be discussing with us the platform, its features, and how any person who do not understand how Coinigy works, he's going to walk us through. So over to you, Joe.
Hi guys, happy to be here and give you guys a quick rundown of the Coinigy platform. So first things first, a little bit about Coinigy. We've been around since 2014, where our two co-founders, William and Rob, were just day traders. And at the time, there's multiple exchanges, and they were looking for ways to kind of improve their trading, and they just started building out a little product for them that they could compare prices between different exchanges. And they're kind of getting sick of bouncing between exchanges like Mt. Gox and Cryptsy and BTCE, and at the time GDAX, which is now Coinbase. So they had accounts on all these different exchanges, and they realized that there's nothing on the market, a way that they could consolidate all of their portfolios and all their charts into one spot. So Coinigy began that way, and from there it's grown to hundreds of thousands of users all over the world. And really excited to kind of show you guys a little bit about what we've been working on since then. So
yeah, I'm equally excited to learn more about the Coinigy platform, because I believe our audience definitely needs to understand the basics of the platform and how the platform do not hold any of your crypto holdings. It's just a platform that can help you do the trading and investing. So Joe, please walk us through with your platform.
exactly. So Coinigy itself does not hold any of your cryptocurrency. Everything is done through the API. So you generate an API key on the individual exchanges, and you connect that API key to Coinigy. And we specifically tell people don't enable withdrawals or anything on the API keys. And it's just for trade and portfolio management in that sense. Other than that, we offer 45 or over 45 different exchanges on Coinigy that you can chart on. So you have access to thousands of markets, and you can see here when you first create a Coinigy account, you'll see, and you log in, you'll see this little pop-up for a tutorial.
Yeah, Joe, I'm sorry to cut you here. So most of the question that people ask me is, do they require a KYC before making an account on Coinigy? So yes, there is no KYC required.
Exactly. Yep, no KYC. All you need for creating an account is your email address, and then you'll get a confirmation email, account activation email, sorry. And from there, you just click activate my account and you're in. We don't have to do the KYC stuff since we don't hold any of our users' funds, and all of that is done on the exchange. The exchanges do the KYC.
Yeah, and making an account, I'll link that. I'll link it into my description. So anybody who wants to sign up to the Coinigy platform, they can go to my description and sign up using the link there.
Definitely. Okay, so getting into the platform. If you look on the left side, you can see all of the exchanges that Coinigy has to offer. As I mentioned before, we have over 45 different exchanges. So as you guys can see here, I am now on Binance, and you've got the charting here for ACH USD, but let's filter it out and just look for BTC USD. Okay, so let's just do USDC for, here we are going to BTC USDT, and you can change your charting time frame to any of these that you wish. You can change your candlestick type. You can compare charts and add any other cryptocurrency to it. So let's just do ETH, USDT. Let's go
on the Binance. Yeah.
There. So you can see here, you can compare, this is Bitcoin to Ethereum. And also if you need to see better, you can edit your chart, style, change there. You can make your lines any which way you want. You can change it to area, that, and then just to remove any indicator that you add to your account or to your chart, you can simply delete it that way. You have a plethora of indicators and over 100 technical analysis indicators on Coinigy here.
So if I want to add an indicator such as MACD, how do you add that? If you can show
Simply
it.
click on indicators in the top of your chart here, and then you can just search MACD. Oh, wow. In there and add it right there. Another one that a lot of traders will use is RSI. So you got your relative strength index, and you can see where the coin is overbought or oversold, and you got other charting things where you can draw trend lines. I'm just clicking on 2 random points for explanation purposes there. And then you can see all the trades and asks, or the bids and asks, and then you can trade directly on here. I currently do not have a Binance one set up on this account, so I'd have to add my API key, which is very simple. So you can click on the exchange in the market that you're trading on, and these are ones that we have portfolio balance monitoring and spot trading on. So you can go through and you can click there, and it's very simple to add. So you click add API key, and you go to the exchange, write your nickname, your API key, and the secret key, and then allow trading.
And it also shows you the option to, for understanding how this works. You can click here for instructions on the right?
Yep, you can. And we also have, and then from here, got that. You can have your open orders, your order history, all in one spot. But another really cool thing about Coinigy is you can set price, trade, and some indicator alerts. So price and volume alerts. So here you can kind of drag and drop. Say you want to be notified when the price of Bitcoin drops below 1,500 or 1,600. So then you can just add an alert. And then
and how do you get that alert? Do you get an alert by email, or is it a notification on your desktop?
There's actually 3 different options that you can set up. So you can do in-browser notifications. So here I can set one right now at this price, and says is inserted here. And if the price goes above or below, you can see here in my lower corner, now it shows that this price alert triggered. So it says that. And I just got a notification on my phone. I've got an email, I've got a text, and an in-app alert. I have all 3 set up. Obviously, you don't need to have that, but it's instantaneous. It goes directly to your phone, so you don't even have to be at your computer, and you can get this notification on the Coinigy iOS and Android, a text message to you, or an email to you as well.
That's great.
And then in browser. So anywhere you go, you can have an alert and take the crypto markets with you. So you don't have to be sitting at your computer wondering when this price is going to cross.
So can you also set up your automatic trade? Like if price goes below this point, I need to purchase 1 Bitcoin.
Yes, you can. So let's see. All right, so here I'm on different exchange. So you can see this is what the trade would look like. So you can set a limit and a stop limit order on Coinigy. Okay. And so once it goes you can set it so once it goes below a certain price, you can sell. So like say it goes up here, I could do sell. I might not have enough balances there, but there. And yes, all right. So this was placed. Order to sell has been placed and directly on Coinigy. And then once this price threshold's met, we immediately send a signal via the API to the exchange, and it executes directly on your exchange. So I'm going to go ahead and just cancel this order. So you just go over it and click cancel and confirm, and no longer be there. And it gives you a confirmation in this lower corner of your order cancel.
That's amazing. And similarly, you can also set up your limit orders for purchasing as well. So if a price goes below a certain point, you can set up your buy limit order.
Exactly. Same here. There. This will probably not meet the minimal threshold.
Yeah. Okay.
There. Yeah. There is when it's it has to be, and we'll tell you how much it has to be greater than. And that's not a Coinigy restriction. That is from the AP or from the exchange's API that tells us you need this minimal amount. So we don't have a restriction on number of trades. Anything that you can trade on the exchange can be done directly with Coinigy.
So I have a question here. So this is a great feature that you've shown us. Let's say you do not have a certain amount of capital to invest in a certain coin. Does Coinigy give you an alert that your original exchange do not have that much of balance, and
Yes,
we can add balance from it?
So you cannot add balances to Coinigy. Like I said,
Okay.
we don't touch any users' funds. Quite frankly, we don't want to.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we currently do not we do not do that.
Okay. So in that case, you have to log into your own exchange and add your account balance there.
Correct.
Okay.
So then, yeah, you can see your alerts. And then another cool feature we have is this Insights tab. So we give you a description of the cryptocurrency and their social media, their Twitter, Facebook, wallet, and then like their white paper as well. So if you want to read Bitcoin's white paper, you click right there and we have it all in one spot. So if you want to learn about a cryptocurrency, you can learn, just click right there. We have all the educational resources you need.
That's amazing.
And then outside of that, events and stuff here, signals. So you can see we've got these 4 different buying signals featured by Into the Block. Obviously with the news with FTX and stuff, the markets are rather bearish right now, as you can see. Into the money, large transactions, and that were growth.
Okay.
And then all the news events. So each of the individual cryptocurrency markets you select on Coinigy, you can see. So say this one's Bitcoin. So every article we've got the top 15 news providers in cryptocurrency populated and show this. So these are all ones that mention Bitcoin. And so say that you're on one that see Aave. So here you can see this is all news about Aave. And then signals, events, total circulation. And another cool feature that some of the traders will use is a notes tab. So say you're making trades, you're like, I want to get back into this at this price. So you make a note here and you can save it there. Other things that you can do is load charts, takes snapshots. You've got your on chart buy and sell orders up here in the top right. And yeah, so then portfolio management. So you've got all of your charts.
Yeah, so if you can show me, how do you manage your portfolio? Is it when you connect an API, it automatically shows you your portfolio here?
Correct. So when you connect, so you can see here, you got Binance, I got KuCoin, Coinbase, there's this Bitfinex, Kraken, a wallet, Bittrex, Poloniex, Bitstamp. So these are all different exchanges that I've connected here. and this is the currency distribution that I have, and it just gives you in a bar chart. You can see it in a line chart here.
Oh, wow.
And let's see, bar chart split up, and you can see Ethereum, all of your different altcoins all the way down, and it down here shows you the list of it. You can highlight as well as your gainers and losers there.
Can you click on the balances?
So your balances page, you'll see your available amount. The held shows what's being held in an open order, and then your total number. So this is your available plus held will show here, and then the current price, and you can change your value to see in which way you want to see your base currency.
Okay. This is such a great feature. You can I haven't seen any platform that lets you trade as well as manage your portfolio and integrate the news in it.
Yep. And so if you look here, you got all the different exchanges that I currently have set up on this account. And then a new feature that we're very excited about is this screener app.
Wow.
So for news purposes, let's look up Solana, and you can see all these different exchanges that offer Solana, and you can see the different prices that differ from exchange to exchange. So
that's what Sam Bankman did, right? Like buying Bitcoin from US and selling it in Japan.
Yeah, he was making some questionable trades.
Yeah, but this is like shows you exactly the price difference on different exchanges.
Yes, exactly. So it shows all the different exchanges here, and where Solana's there. You got the change from the high to the lows and stuff here. You can change day, month, week, year. So we're very excited about this feature. We just released it last month. And then you can see all of your orders here, and your order history as well. And
is there any way to export this data of order history into Excel spreadsheet?
I don't think, no, not at this time.
Okay, not at this time, but it could be, implemented in the future.
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
And then another feature that we're really excited about is this boards feature. So this is just a sample board that we have.
It's like creating your own dashboard.
Yep, and it's completely customizable.
Wow.
Drag and drop here, and so this is primarily BTC up there. But then to add a panel, you just click that. Let's see, you want just a market chart. Select the size you want. Let's go with a large, and then Binance, and then a market. Let's try it's a good one. Let's just try Ethereum USDT. Chart type, so you can do a line, candlestick, or area. Let's go with a basic candlestick. And the chart resolution, so the time frame we want, let's make 1 week as that. And then you can show the volume, which will show at the bottom, and then the volume profile will show on the side. These are two features that a lot of traders had requested, and we listened, so we added them there. And
can you show me the one that you just added now?
Right up here is where it is. And then, like I said, we can drag and drop in any way that we want it. So it's completely customizable of how you want it. So this is that one that I just created. You can still see. And so then now comparing side by side of what I want is I've got Ethereum and then Bitcoin next here. So you can see them all in one, and then to delete.
Oh, wow. I haven't seen this kind of amazing feature on any other platform.
Yeah, we're very excited.
I'm a person who comes from the data science space, and I'm also into stocks and crypto. When I see that, you can create your own visualizations and dashboard, this is huge for me.
Yes, definitely. A lot of traders, and then a lot of traders take advantage of that. And obviously, you can share your boards on social media by just pressing the copy thing and putting it on your social media to share with your followers, friends, family, whoever. Then your accounts page. So this is where you could add your exchanges as well. So
So
these
when
and
it is
wallets.
wallets, can you add the cold storage wallets in this or no?
You can so for here you can do like your Ethereum, Bitcoin, and like all your Ethereum token
Okay,
wallets. So
the
you guys put
individual
it
wallets.
all, yep, all in one spot as well as your exchanges here.
Okay.
So yeah, that's for the gist of Coinigy. Obviously, there's some more features and the traders can take advantage of, but those are our main ones. You got other ones that I missed before are just your depth chart, your times and sales. It's down here are all of your favorites. So you can filter your favorites by clicking the star up in the corner. These are just my favorites on the exchanges. And so if I wanted to add a new favorite, see how this star is not filled. I just press it, and now this market has been added to your favorites. Simple as that. You just click on the market and click that star up there if you want to remove it from your favorites. That, and then if you want to filter by your favorites, you just click right there, so you don't have to go through all of the different markets, because there's a lot there on Coinigy. So you can do it that way, and then you can scroll through and just have a live price ticker at the bottom of all of your favorites. Coinigy is completely customizable, where you can change your language. We have 15 different languages, and you can see all your notifications there, and see bug reports, and yeah.
I mean, I'm very much impressed with the platform itself. Especially this video is important to those who do not know how to trade, how to set up charts, how to screen, how to add their APIs, set up trades, set up their own boards. So I think this is one of the game changer for anybody who wants to get started into trading. I love all the features, and definitely my audience can get so much of information out of this video. And if anybody wants to reach out to you for any suggestions, if any feature they need to integrate into the platform, what is the best way for them to reach out?
We have 24/7 on-call support. So that's something that we really take pride in, is trying to provide the best support in the cryptocurrency, because in the current cryptocurrency industry, because we've opened support tickets ourselves with exchanges and stuff like that, and it's taken weeks to get back at times. So we really pride ourselves in our customer support. You can just email support@coinigy.com, and our support staff is more than happy to assist you as soon as possible. Another quick feature I neglected to mention before that some people love is the interface. You can change the classic theme. You can do dark theme, light theme. I prefer, so the classic is the original Coinigy theme from our days back in 2014. So we had a lot of the users that have been with us for over 8 years now.
Oh, wow.
When we started this new V2 platform, is
So
they
they are used to the
wanted
classic.
the feel from the original Coinigy platform. So we listened to all of our users' requests and hold them near and dear. So we have that and do all of that. And then, as well as a lot of active traders love having keyboard shortcuts. So you can do, these are customizable, where you can edit which keys you want to be your hotkeys on your shortcuts.
This is great. So mostly I feel that traders will be using the dark screen, because they have to be glued onto their charts for a longer period of time. So I think dark
Exactly.
feature, yeah, dark theme is the one that they would be using.
Definitely. And there's customizable. You can create your own themes as well. So yeah, that is it for me. Thank you guys. And we do offer a 7-day free trial, and we encourage everyone to sign up and give it a shot. Over the for Black Friday, we will be doing up to 75% off of Coinigy subscriptions. So if you keep an eye on our social media, primarily our Twitter, on the 25th, we'll be doing some flash sales all day for users. So keep an eye on there. Make sure to follow us on social media.
Yeah, thank you, Joe, for showing us the walkthrough of the platform. It's definitely useful, and I will link the social media channels for the Coinigy, so all my followers can reach out to Coinigy in case they need any support or any help or any suggestion they want to provide. Thank you, everybody, for being part of this video. And if you have any questions, write them below in the comments, and we will try our best to reach out to you as soon as we can. Thank you so much, Joe, for being part of this YouTube Live.
Thank you. Take care.
Take care.